Wow. And you're about to turn 9.
Mm-hmm.
And this is your first adjustment too?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome. Now the key is just to relax. We're just gonna do a little pop. There. See? Feel good?
Mm-hmm.
And relax. You're doing good. Woo. Huh? Ooh. Yeah, that was a good one. You were scared of this, weren't you? No? Your mom was, I can tell you that. Ooh. That's good. Roll. Oh my. Super tight in here. There it goes. Breathe in. Let it go. A little bit down here. Oh yeah. Wow. It's pretty far up here. There it is. Did it. That was bomb. Good job.
Let your head fall in here.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Really?
Good. Let it fall. Come on. There it is. Yeah.
That's so nice.
Nah, it felt good. You know, you're just there to. Oh. Go on your other side. Woo. Yep.
Ow.
Right there. Found it. Place. Happy place. There it is.
Oh, yeah, good one. How many?
Good. Happy place. There it is. Wow, bro. How'd it feel?
Good.
It's hurting. You ready? I guess. Oh shit. Okay.
Pulling.
Ooh. Oh shit. Oh. Yes. I want to go to sleep.
You get headaches sometimes?
All the time.
You failed to tell me that.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. Oof. I love it. Damn. I want to go and run.
He's a little scared. Okay. Good. Let it fall in my hand. Cinch it up in here. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let it sink down. Good. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness gracious. God damn. Okay. Just relax. There it is. Okay. There it is. Oh, God. So, it's like, yeah, you just kind of rested in my hand. There it is. That was pretty crazy, though.
That was good.
Base level. That's good. See? Good job.
Okay, that wasn't bad.
See? Relax.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
That was it. I just had it. Okay. Roll it for me. There it goes.
Oh my God.
That was huge.
That felt great. That felt amazing.
Okay.
Oh my God.
That was a big one. Just let it just, there you go.
Oh my
There it is.
gosh.
That was good. Hold tight. There you go. So this is just so like right in that area. So breathe in
Okay.
and just let it go. Let's just see if it goes. There it goes. Yeah, that went.